Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app and here in the search pool enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click enable in settings and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher and just tap here to activate and go back. After that, click to the switch input methods and switch the bar to the English United States keyboard. And now we can see that the process is finished. Let's just go, for example, here into the app search and we can see that the look of our new device keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as the all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.